Here we have a 2017 17-plate Ford Ranger Wildtrack 4x4 DCB TDCi. Now this vehicle does come with four 20-inch alloys which are unmarked and unscratched in perfect condition. Coming to the front, we do have the front bull bar just there, which gives the vehicle a very aggressive look. We've then got the blacked out Ford badging, the Ranger writing as well. Here's a look at the second alloy wheel. The vehicle does also come with a wide arch kit. As you can see, got the wide arches just there as well. And the side steps at the side, very handy for getting in and out of the vehicle and look great. Then we've got the rear privacy glass as well as black trim around the windows and the roof rails at the top there as well. Here's a look at the third alloy wheel, again perfect condition. You'll notice we do have a Truckman cover on the rear just here, which I'll open up for you now. Very tidy in here and a huge amount of space for whatever you may need. Here's a quick look inside. Close that up. At the rear we do also have a parking camera, reversing camera just there, as well as front and rear parking sensors on this vehicle. Coming to the side, you'll notice the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. And here's a look at that last alloy wheel. Going on to the inside, at the back we do have a half leather, half fabric interior. Fold down armrest here in the middle with two good sized cup holders. ISO fixed points for the back seats. 12-volt connectivity in the middle there. You can also see into the back just there. We've then got the storage for the behind the front seats. Brushed metal handle on the door with the electric windows, leather and orange stitching. Some more storage on the integrated speaker just there as well. Coming on to the front, we've got the half leather, half fabric seats again with the Wildtrack stitching. We've then got the electric window control with child lock for the back, brushed metal handle, lock and unlock button and integrated speakers with some more storage there as well. We've then got electric seats, so you can adjust the seats with these controls just there. Stepping inside, start the vehicle up with the key. Now that beeping will go off in just a second. So as you can see, the vehicle has covered just over 52,400 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We've then got the multifunctional steering wheel with different controls whilst you're on the go, as well as cruise control and speed limiter. We've also got automatic wipers and auto lights just down there as well. Coming into the middle, we've got our infotainment system just here. So we've got audio with different sources. We've got AM, FM, DAB radio, CD and Bluetooth audio as well. Then we've got the climate. We've got dual climate zone control, so we can control temperatures of each side of the vehicle independently. We've also got heated seats just there. Then we've got phone connectivity as well as navigation. Then if you come onto here, you'll see that we've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as different settings and ambient light just there as well. Now if I put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see there is the reversing camera, back into park, and if we make our way down, we've then got our stereo controls with the dual climate zone controls as well. Here are the heated seats again. We do also have air conditioning in this vehicle. We've then got two 12-volt connection points, as well as USBs just down there for your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. We've then got a traction control button, as well as hill descent control, and a switch here for selecting 4 high or 4 low ranges. We've then got our gear stick just here, which can be drove in manual by simply going into drive and switching across, then go down or up a gear like so, back into park. We've then got two good sized cup holders with a handbrake just here, leather armrest which also doubles up as storage as well. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh MOT, fresh service, and is also HPI clear. That's all from me for now. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of 2017 17-plate Ford Ranger Wildtrack. The purpose of this video is to show the car drives as it should. As you can see, I might have to fight with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. We do have cruise control and speed limiter, which you control using a multifunction steering wheel. We also have a manual mode in the automatic gearbox. Simply on the gear stick, push to the right to change down gear, push away from you. So now I'm in third, let's change up, pull down. So now I'm in fourth, fifth. And to cancel, simply push back to the left and the vehicle will take control again. We have very, very comfortable half leather, half fabric seats, which you can easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. And for cold days, cold winter mornings, we do have heated seats, which make all the difference as well. At the roundabout, I'm going to take a left as you would if you were driving this vehicle today. We have a very smooth automatic gearbox, which hasn't missed a beat. We also have satellite navigation, as well as DAB radio, Bluetooth media connectivity as well, phone connectivity. We also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. As well, we have 2 USB slots, as well as 2 12-volt connectivities as well. We do have power folding mirrors, and as you heard from the drive so far, there's not been any unwanted knocks or bangs. The vehicle drives just as you would expect it to. As it's being an off-road vehicle, if you see a bump on the road, it takes it very easily as well. Here at RS Car Sales, we've been doing deliveries the past 3-4 years now. With the COVID-19 situation, many businesses have struggled. Also on the other end, we feel like we're quite well prepared. Before, we did nationwide next day delivery, we now do contactless nationwide next day delivery. We also sanitise our hands and the keys before we get into any vehicle, just to ensure your safety and ours. We are a 5-star dealership with over 300 5-star reviews on Google, Auto Trader, as well as Car Gurus. And if you read the reviews, our customers really do alliterate the fact of how good we are to buy for and how caring of a company we actually are. Right now, I'm coming up to the industrial estate, and I'm going to take a right. I'm going to perform an emergency stop and put it straight into reverse, just to show you that the brakes work as they should, and as well, the rear reversing camera does as well. So I'm just pulling in now. Wait for Mr. Posty. There we go. So, on the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. And you can see the rear reversing camera there as well. Back into drive, no issues whatsoever. If you haven't answered all of your questions in the test drive video and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact, where we can do a FaceTime video, where we go around the car and show you bits that we may have missed, and also answer the questions again we may have missed. But that's it from me, so thank you very much for watching.